Hey there folks, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to replace this trunk strut or trunk actuator on all 2010 through 2017 Chevy Equinoxes. Now this service will be for you if you are experiencing the trunk falling when you're opening it and won't stay open. So this will be worn out or damaged, so replacing it will help. And also this service will be the same for the actuator that keeps your hood up as well. So we're going to be focusing on the ends here where it mounts to the vehicle itself, as well as the mount on the actual trunk lid. We're just going to get you a close-up and show you how it's done. All right, so we're going to start here with the bottom. If we look, there's this little clip that goes around the end here, and there's a little groove inside. We're just going to use this panel popper tool, or if you have a flat-edge screwdriver, that'll help as well. And we're just going to pop it, not all the way off, just part way. Just like that. And it would be advisable if you have a broomstick or some kind of a rod to hold your trunk up while you do this so it doesn't fall down on you. Once that is free, that just comes open just like that. All right, so we're going to do the same thing for this top bracket as well. Just pop it part way out and it'll come off. All right, so the easiest way to install your new actuator is start from the bottom here, pull your clip out in advance, put it onto the knuckle, and push your clip into place. Just like that. Make sure it's all nice and sturdy. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the top. All right, so now for the top trunk lid portion of it, same thing, pop your clip and then put it over the knuckle, and you may have to push hard upwards just so it goes over and sits. Once it's sitting into place, you can put your clip on just like that. Same thing, just give it a wiggle back and forth, make sure you're good. All right, and just like that, your trunk actuator is now fixed and it stays up, goes up all on its own, so you're good to go. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.